Hi guys. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you know, it's EpicTourzZ, where it's all about fun, food, travel, and being able to work remotely. So of course, in the spirit of these Christmas vlogs, we are going to make something a little bit different today, including the spirits, right? We are going to make candy cane vodka, or candy cane infused vodka. Right, it's pretty simple to make, but I'm doing this video because I'm going to use this vodka in some of the other vlogs that I'll be doing. So just so you have an idea of how to do it, honestly it's not that hard, but it's good to have it there for a little while. Don't just do it and then use it right away. You have it to give it some time to soak in all that nice and mintiness and all of that. So I'll show you guys how it is when I just put it in, and then I'm going to give it maybe like about a week or maybe less. I'll let you know how long I did, and then I'll show you the results. All right. All right, guys. So because I wanted to show you how much of the vodka I used, so what I did is I got a measuring cup to use. So this will help you guys to have an idea of where, because I don't know the size from the top of my head. All right, so let's get these candy canes opened up. Let's see. So I want you guys to tell me if you like candy canes, right? I know some persons actually take them and put them on their Christmas trees, right? Don't know how them under the situation, but I know persons do that as well, right? And also, you could share, I break it up a bit. Also, you could share with me like some of the things that you like about Christmas, some of your family traditions, things like that. For me, honestly, I haven't really celebrated Christmas properly since 2015. If anybody knows me, that's actually around the time my mom passed. So I hadn't really done anything. But since I had my daughter, I started, just working on getting back the whole spirit of celebration. So last year I did a little thing like, put up tree, stuff like that. So this year, since she has like a better understanding, I'm gonna do a little bit more, right? So I'm gonna speed this up because y'all don't want to see me cracking candy canes all day, right? And this is gonna be a very short video, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so I actually use around 12 of these mini canes, right? So it's not the regular long canes, these are just the mini ones. So these are the ones that I used for it. And then we're going to put in this last one. And then we leave it for some time. Alright, so alright guys, so let's now add the vodka. Here it goes. Sorry, the rum did me. Right, so this is 1 cup, right? So this is actually 1 cup. Funny enough, this is 1 cup. Alright, so just put 1 whole flask. Right? Apparently I should have gotten 2 flasks. But yes, this should be enough though, just to give it the flavor. So I'm gonna leave it. If you want, you could put more, you could put less, depending on how much of a mint flavor you want to have at the end of it. So I'm gonna put it here so that you can really get everything soaking in. And as I said, for a few days, so you could get it light pink, or it could be a little bit, the color could be deeper depending on how long. So let's see, guys. So let's give it some time. So I'm not even shaking it or anything. Yeah, the camera fell just now. So I'm not really shaking it or anything. So we're just gonna leave it like this for a few days. It smells so strong. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this simple recipe. You could see a lot of it online, right? But then, as I said, we're gonna use this to make some other things. So I hope you guys are ready for that, and thanks for watching. I know this was a quick one, just to kick off again our vlogs. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hey guys, so just showing you, this is the end product of the candy cane vodka. So I don't know if you can see, maybe it's not, it hasn't melted out completely. I think it's kind of stuck to the jar though. But for the most part, it's been down for about almost a week. Yeah, it's been down for about a week. So yeah, this is it. So you'll see the other recipes where I'll mix it into other stuff. So I'll keep you guys posted. Also remember, just one more time, to subscribe, like, share, comment, make this. Let me know how yours is. Let me know if you like the taste or not. But I'm gonna let you guys know once it's finished. I'll show you again. And yeah, bye guys.